So today you're going to get to discover how we open up to connect to the universe, source energy, supreme intelligence, God, whatever you want to call it. There's more parts to you than just the mind and the body. And this, what we're now about to do, is going to be a beautiful way so you can start to receive things from a higher level. So today we're going to go into a breathing exercise, and by breathing we get to access and to be able to create this alignment between the body and the mind, because as soon as we've got that balance and that alignment, it's like you can start to get downloads, and these downloads, just like you tune into a frequency and you get a download on your phone or your device, or where you're driving a car, you tune into a certain frequency and you receive from a radio station, and it doesn't matter where you drive, you're still going to receive it. And it's like, say you're receiving something you don't like, you can't then go, well, let's drive away from this song, I don't like this song. It's not going to work like that, because you're receiving it, you're tuned in to receive it. The challenge is, so many people are tuned in to receive stuff that is not serving them at the highest level. So we want to be able to connect to more of that truth, and we're going to be doing it through this little process that we're going through. So what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in and out, full body breathing, and then we're going to push all the air out. Then we're going to hold that for the count of 20. Then we're going to breathe again, and we're going to push that air out, and we're going to hold that for the count of 30. Then we're going to breathe again, but this time we're going to start to do what I call some Kundalini. And it just means that we're going to do some small little circles, and just like when you get a tornado spinning, what we're going to do is we're going to be taking energy through your system, and this energy we're going to start to take up, and we're going to take it all the way up from the root chakra. We're going to lift it all the way up to your crown chakra, and through that we're going to start to see if you can receive anything. And then on that breath we're going to breathe in, but we're going to hold that for the count of 60 with air in our lungs. So the first two, we push all the air out for 20 with no air in our lungs. We're then going to breathe again, push all the air out again with no air in our lungs, and we're going to hold that for 30. Then we're going to breathe again while doing the Kundalini, and then we're going to breathe in, and we're going to hold that for the count of 60. So let's begin. So hands up, palms up, ready to receive. These things here aren't just for picking stuff up. We can receive in all parts of what we are. So eyes closed, take a deep breath into your entire body, and exhale. Inhale deep, and exhale, push it out. Inhale, fill up the lungs. Exhale, empty your lungs. Inhale, feeling good in this moment as you breathe the air in. Exhale, push all the air out. Inhale, sending love to every cell in your body. And exhale, breathing love out of every cell in your body. Inhale, peace into your mind. And exhale, push all the air out, and we're going to hold that for 20 with total peace and stillness in the body. Push the air out. Hold it. Beautiful. Inhale. And exhale, push all the air out. Inhale, being grateful as this air comes into your body. And And exhale, feeling really grateful for your heart that's beating right now. Inhale, being grateful for your lungs as they breathe this air in. Remember, breath is life, and then we push it out. Beautiful. Inhale, breathing into your whole body. And exhale, pushing all the air out. Inhale, being grateful for your eyes and ears. And exhale, being grateful for some of the things that you've seen and heard. Inhale, for your being grateful for your hands and feet. And exhale, being grateful for some of the things that you've held and touched and some of the places your feet have taken you. Inhale, being grateful for this moment. And exhale, push all the air out, and we're going to hold this with no air in our lungs at the count of 30. Hold it. Good. Inhale, small little circles. And exhale, release the breath. Inhale, starting to appreciate every cell in your body. And understand that every cell is giving you life. Push the air out. Inhale, start to see yourself feeding your cells higher vibrational foods. Exhale, see yourself feeding yourselves food that have the energy of the sun, the energy of the planet. They weather different seasons. Push that air out. Inhale. See yourself pushing away temptation that's going to poison the cells of your body. Exhale, understanding your cells, they need air, water, and nutrients. 3 of the most powerful things that you can give, and push the air out. Inhale, peace into your mind and learn how to direct your mind and focus it where you want to focus it. Inhale. And exhale, really understanding that you're a body, you're a mind, but you're also a spirit. Push the air out. Inhale. Feeling the power of the body, the mind, and the spirit when they work in harmony. And start to honor your body, your mind, and your spirit, giving them gifts every single day. Inhale, the power of the universe. And exhale, know that there's something making your heart beat right now, connecting to that magic. Inhale, knowing that every 3 seconds you've got cells in your body dying and new ones emerging, and you're self-generating all the time. Breathe this knowledge in and know that there is a creator. Know that you are a creator. You can create what you focus on in life. Push the air out. Inhale, connecting to the creation of the universe that resides within you. Inhale deep. Nice straight back. And exhale, push all the air out. Inhale, feeling good. And exhale, a little smile so that your body can feel it. Good. Stop moving. Inhale deep. And exhale, push all the air out. And of course, if you have to breathe now, we're going to hold it for 60. And if you have to breathe, of course do. But see if you can hold the breath for 60 with total peace, total stillness. total love in this moment. Slowly breathe in, and we're going to hold it for 60. Exhale, inhale, hands up. Beautiful, bringing it all the way down to our heart center. Beautiful, inhale, hands all the way up. Bring it all the way down to our heart center. Appreciating that heartbeat, appreciating what makes the heart beat. There's an intelligence in you so powerful. Bring it all the way up. Bring it down, and namaste. Well done, well done, well done. Now, I do this every single day. I recommend doing this for at least 21 days straight. You can do it anytime throughout the day, and it can help to release stress. It can help with tension. It can help with any resistance that you've got going on in the body or the mind. This can really help to get you back in balance and back in alignment. So please do like this, please do comment on this, please do let me know how has it helped you. Please do share it as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put on the bell notifications, because then that way, as we're releasing all these new videos that are all being designed to really help you navigate through this life in a body and a mind and a spirit that is powerful. So I really do hope to see you soon one day, maybe at one of my live events that we run all over the world. But from now till then, live strong, live healthy, live long. Make sure you live now with the nutrients, oxygen and water. For now, I'm out of here.